Alright, so after doing a bunch of troubleshooting, we finally got it to work. So let's go ahead and create our campaign for our DPA ads. Create 0112 music chest DPA campaign. Campaign objective, catalog sales, catalog, music chest trackify, ad set, let's go 001 dot, add 001 dot, save to draft. Let's go to the ad set. So let's create a product set, all music chest boxes. Price greater than 0. Perfect, and that's all the boxes. Great. Daily budget, let's start it at like 20. So let's start with retarget people who have visited your website on 80 days. So viewed or add to cart but not purchased. Okay, so view or add to cart but not purchased. So viewed or add to cart but not purchased. Let's see what placements they have. Okay, there's a ton of different placements. Optimize for conversions, purchase, conversion window. Let's do 1 day click or view. And then I'm just going to start with and do Facebook feeds dash Facebook feed. Change the budget to $1 actually. And then this will be mobile. Now go to the ad itself page. Select the music chest page. Headline, I'm going to put in the name of the product here. Description of the product. Pretty cool how it automatically syncs it up. So for now, I'm just going to link all these boxes. When they click it, it just goes to the home page and they could go ahead and pick and find their music chest from the home page. I think that is the simplest option at the moment. Harry Potter limited deal, so people who add to cart or view content Harry Potter will see this ad. It will say Harry Potter limited box deal. Harry Potter will be the first one, $10 off for the next hour. So this is entirely directed to those people. And if people do car lead would be popped in the front and it will say car lead limited box. So as you can see, it's pretty dynamic and it adjusts to what the person adds to carts. I'm going to figure out how to create the custom label and get back to you guys. Alright, so after spending a bunch of time troubleshooting, finally figured it out and I'm just going to give it to you guys. So what I had to do was, let me open up music chest. If I want this link to go to the Harry Potter link, I'm going to have to create one of these. So what I did was I changed the vendor to Harry-Potter-music-chest, and then that is also the same ending at the end of my URL handle. So what I'll do is, for example, I'll go to Harry Potter. I'm going to copy up this. The deep link will go here, and then it'll go to the brand. So product brand is what is in vendor. So it's going to be music chest dash whatever the product is. So this will be evergreen and it will apply to any single music chest, and publish. And then I want to change this to view, make this 180. And what I'm going to do next is I'm going to duplicate this and set it for each and every one of these other placements. So I want to literally test everything. And I probably won't need to do add to cart but not purchase because that's already within the first one. Yeah, so let me go ahead and duplicate it many times. Perfect. Instagram story has worked. This is super cool. It's highly tailored to that person's product. This is so awesome. Okay, next. What's next? We could do audience network. Help inbox. Can inbox be done independently? Nope. What I'm gonna do is edit the marketplace one. This is just mobile. Select audience network and messenger inbox. Go ahead, publish. And then we could remove the one that's just like this one. No need for this one because that's included in the first one. But yeah, I'm really excited to see how this goes. And then now I'm going to duplicate this and do it for desktop, hitting every single corner. Okay, desktop is only right hand, feed, and marketplace. And it's just Facebook. Marketplace requires Facebook feeds. I'm going to go ahead and edit this to desktop, Facebook feed plus market, desktop, Facebook feed plus marketplace, publish. As you can see, I want to make this as tailored as possible. I don't want to miss anything whatsoever. Let's see what other options there are. There is add to cart not purchase, but that's within the first one, so I don't want to do that. Upsell, promote all music chest boxes to people who viewed the product set below. we can do that where like if they see one box, then we'll upsell them a different box. So I want to give that a try. Let's go 180 days. Optimizing for purchases. So now people who just view, say, Harry Potter box, the same DPA ad would be advertised to them, but they'll see a different box. So another one might hit a chord. That's the plan. And now we're going to go ahead and duplicate it again. And let's do cross-sell. Promote music boxes to people who purchase from the products below. Awesome. Save to draft and then publish. And then I just noticed there's a custom combination. So I actually do want to split up the add to cart, view content, no add to cart, and add to cart, no purchase. So let's see if we could edit 001. View, but not add to cart. That's exactly what I want. And this will be viewed, but no. We'll remove the past 180 days because we don't need that. Save draft, and now we can actually duplicate this and change it, make this add to cart, but no purchase. Save to draft, let's publish. So we actually hit every single thing. So I'll be updating you guys with the results soon. Just like the retargeting ads, how powerful they were, this is going to be way more powerful. So just you guys wait. And yeah, that is setting up of the DPA ads for retargeting. So I'll get back to you guys with the results. You know, I don't want to be like those YouTubers that just end it here. I want to give you guys the live results so you guys know it's worth your time to go ahead and do this. So see you guys soon.
Yeah.